Hello, good morning, you are welcome. My name is Mr. Prince UNB. Today, I will give you a short story about my life. About the deceiver girlfriend. The day I will not forget. When I meet with her, I asked her name. But she forget with me as she never hear me. But I continued to talking with her, then she said, "What happened?" Firstly, I told her my name, then I take long time looking for. But she said, "For what reason?" And I said it's just the matter of love. I means I love you more than anything. After that, she was deep thinking, then she said, she needs to give her enough time to decide it about. Proudly, I said, "Okay, no problem." I was collected her phone number. Then we dismissed. The following day, when I go to work, on my way to get my workplace, I saw her pass me in a Passat car, but she not see me. Then, I directly go to my business. At my workplace, I got it with a lot of customers, just waiting for me. I was welcoming to them, with sort of smile on my face. As you know that life is dynamic. When I was back home from my workplace, I was trying to call her but she was not response. I don't know why she not pick up my calling. Unexpected, I started to blame myself. Because, I'm not sure even if she has a good behavior, or good character, and I just see her, I'm not fully aware who is she, or from where she came and so much more. Advisively, whenever you see a girl on road, even if you are love her, so please, you have to be very, very careful. Because, if you not care automatically, she cheat you, or deceive you. At the end, I regret to love her, because of her. I was lost everything, like, time, money, happy and my honor. We continue on the next video, by subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.